we have a 1975 Kawasaki H1 project bike. I don't see any broken fins. I'm willing to bet money the engine's stuck. We could always check, but I believe it probably is without looking. This isn't moving here, so maybe it's stuck in gear or something, I don't know, or maybe the motor's stuck, I don't know. But I don't see any broken fins. I do have a title for the frame. If you come to this side, you're gonna see a little bit of damage here. You know, it's obviously been sitting outside. However, it is what it is, and there's a lot of salvageable parts. Or this could be the start of a pretty cool project. As you know, there's more of these out there without titles than with titles. So we're going to be offering this for sale. There's low-cost shipping available on request. We race motorcycles, so we kind of get around a little bit. So if there's some interest, please give us a call. And thanks a lot for taking a look at it. Okay.